Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Aldo. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how I made this dreamy and ethereal dress that my daughter designed all by herself. So if you want to see how, then keep on watching. I cut out all the pieces already, so this dress is going to be fully lined. That's why I have two sets of bodices. The skirt is going to be half circle and I will be adding lace trims as well. First, I will assemble the sleeves. So this flare here is actually a half circle. Pretty much follow the same idea if you are going to make a half circle skirt. I did that but for my arm instead. Then I'm going to sew the trims along the skirt hemline. The fabric that I'm using is a stretch material that is shiny and slippery. I don't really know what it's called. It is similar to scuba knit but lighter and flowy. Next, it's time to assemble the bodices. So I have two bodices here because this is going to be fully lined. So I'm going to join it at the shoulder seams and the side seams. Next, I place in the lining inside the bodice. Right sides of the fabrics are facing and I'm going to join it at the neckline. Doing it this way is going to give me a finished neckline when I turn the fabric right side out, and I like to match it at the seams first and then work my way around. Then I'm going to sew it in the round using a stretch stitch. Using this stitch will allow the neckline to stretch without breaking the threads. You can use it for anything that will stretch really, for example, neckline and waistline. But side seams you don't really have to because there's not a lot of stretching at the side seams and shoulders. Now it's time to grade the neckline to release the tension along the curve. And since I'm using the same fabric, it's just a matter of picking which side where the lining is going to be. Then I'm going to understitch it. Understitching is making sure that the lining is staying inside the bodice when you're wearing the garment. Then I base stitch the armhole, so when I set in the sleeves, it's going to be so much easier. So now I am just going to match it at the seams first and then work my way around. And this is what it should look like. As you can see, the neckline is finished and look at the sleeves. They are massive, but I love them. After that, I am going to set in the skirt. I join it at the waistline. Right sides of the fabrics are facing, and you guessed it, match the side seams and then work my way around. And then stitch all the way around using stretch stitch so it will allow the waistline to stretch. I am not using any zipper whatsoever, and this is what it should look like. As you can see, it's stretched really nicely. Now all I have to do is add the lace trim along the sleeve hems and the dress is completed. Look how pretty is this dress. This is super dreamy. I love it so much. I styled it like a dreamy fairy goddess using this body jewelry that we got from Forever 21, and I thought it's like the perfect touch for this dress. Thanks so much for watching, and if you love this dress, don't forget to share this and give this a like. And please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I would love to have you here. Thanks again, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!